my buddy Gil and I returned out to the farm field, and we found some really amazing, I think amazing artifacts, and I want to show those to you. What I'm showing you are the ones that I found. Gil found some really nice ones too, and I took video of them, but stupid me, I somehow erased it. So anyways, I hope you'll enjoy looking at these, and thanks for stopping by. God bless you. Love you all. First, I want to show you this little arrowhead or bird point. It is probably the smallest, complete, perfect projectile point that I've ever found. It is so beautifully worked on all three sides here. Super sharp tip, and it is bifacial. It's because it is worked on both sides. It is like paper thin, just a beautiful piece. And when I saw that in the farm field, what I saw was just, you know, I didn't even know. I thought it was just a flake because only part of it was sticking up out of the ground. But it turned out to be, like I said, probably the smallest complete projectile point I've ever found. Love that piece. It's really cool. And typically late woodland era, so that'd be 500 to 1400 years old. Here's a very nice graving spur, a bit large flake from tool production, and on the very tip is that sharp, very sharp graving spur for etching into and engraving on bone, stone, whatever. It has also been nicely worked on this edge and this edge. This is unifacial, it's worked only on one side, but it's a beautiful piece of chert and a very nice artifact. Here's a handheld, probably handheld knife, bifasials, worked on both sides. See how it's been retouched there on the edges for cutting. This could have also been an adze. It could have been put into a wooden handle, so it might have been an adze, which is a woodworking tool. Stone used for arc pecking, for pecking other stones to create, to remove material from a stone and create whatever they were trying to make. Arc pecking was used extensively, and here is a large piece. I call this pestle giganticus because it's a 35-pound, basically pestle or rolling pestle, whatever. It's been worked on every single side it's been used, and you know, it could have been, you know, tapped out like that, but I don't think so. On this piece, I think it's just primarily, it has the surface it does from being used for grinding and such on every single surface. It's a beautiful piece, but that's from a few years ago. Let's see, what else have we got here? That's that. This is a small drill. I've probably found out there on that site maybe 10 drills of different quality. This is a lower quality one, but it's still a drill. And it would have been put into a wooden shaft and used for making holes in things like any other drill would be used. Here are two pieces of a very dark black chert. I believe it's Upper Blue Mercer. It comes from Flint Ridge, Ohio. And oh, here's a cool knife. This was probably a piece that was from leftover from tool production, but it is worked on both sides. It is a bifacial. It has a slight stem down here, so it could have actually been hafted onto a wooden shaft or bone handle. It's worked on the three edges. Nice piece. These are primarily, again, late woodland pieces that I am showing you. Um, It's an unusual little scraper, brought down to a very sharp edge here, and you could either use it handheld, or again, it could have been put into a wooden handle and used as a gouge, because it's got that somewhat gouge. And that's all I've got to show you for right now. Hope you enjoyed taking a look. Always something interesting to find out on the farm field. God bless y'all, love you much, and see you real soon, God willing.